In this video, I'm going to show you how I deposited money on Bybit TradeFi and also how I was able to make massive profit from this platform. If you are looking for a best broker to trade Forex, then you need Bybit, okay? And if you want me to show you how to connect Bybit to your MT5, then notify me in the comment section and you will get the video, okay? Now, let's see if I can turn profit or be left with nothing. Forex trading can seem intimidating, especially as a beginner. For what if I told you that Bybit makes it easy, accessible for everyone? Whether you're a seasoned trader or you just started out, Bybit provides a platform that is easy to use. You can trade Forex with confidence, even if you are a new beginner or you are a new trader, you're just starting out. One of the biggest challenge new traders face is market volatility. Price can fluctuate rapidly. It is easy to throw you out or cut you out on the market. Bybit has features that is user friendly and it is a game changer. Their platform is designed to simplify trading processes, making it easier to navigate the forex market. With Bybit, you can easily access their features that helps you perform trading decisions. For instance, their charts and graphs are intuitive and easy to understand, even for a beginner or like me or as a beginner. Bybit also provides educational resources to help you learn the rules to improve your trading skills. I have had a chance to explore their platform and I have to say it is really helpful and helps me to gain few more confidence in my trading. The best part is that Bybit platform is designed to be adaptable so you can adjust your trading strategies and skills as you gain more experience. One of the Bybit key features that has helped traders improve their performance is their copy trading features. With Bybit tools and features, you can stay on top of the market trend. Bybit makes it easy and accessible, okay, for everyone. Choosing Bybit or choosing the right platform can make a difference of any trading journey. With Bybit, you can trade with confidence and focus on growing your skills. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so because I'm going to walk you through how you are going to get started. I'm going to show you how I deposited $100 into Bybit, and also if you want me to show you how to connect your MT5 to Bybit, then say it in the comment section. I'm going to make a video for that. So don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe to this channel. Now let's get started to our trading journey to see if we're going to make a lot of profit or not. I also have ebooks on how to make a lot of win. I have an ebook I have written to show you different strategies that you are going to implement in your trades. Okay, I have different strategies. If you want that ebook, then you make notify me in the comment section and then I'm going to get to you now. And if you have not used Bybit for the first time and you want to get started with Bybit Forex trading platform, then check the link in the description below for you to get started. Okay, Bybit is the best broker for forex trading. Okay, I have used others and Bybit is the best for me. Kindly use the link in the description to get started. Now let's dive into the video and see how we're going to make profit. Okay, now we'll move over to Bybit account. This is my main Bybit, so I'm going to click on the Trade FI inside here. If you go to Bybit, check Trade FI under trades, you are going to see it. So when I click on it, it's going to open. You're going to see my balance is 0.7 something or cents. But here in my Bybit I can have 0.55 cents. So you're going to see different pairs. Okay, now look at it here. We have a XAU USD. Okay, we have different pairs you can trade on here. So but mainly I'll be trading only on gold. Okay, I'll be trading on gold. So for you to get started on how to deposit, you need to go to P2P first of all. So as I said earlier, if you want me to show you how to connect your MT5 with your MetaTrader 5, with your Bybit, sorry, then let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to make a video for you to know how to connect it with your Bybit and then trade on MT5. So now I'm going to click on P2P. If I go back to Bybit main account, I'm going to select P2P, then click on buy. But mind you, before you start buying, go to your filter and filter for the verified. Okay, only verified. So look at here at the top, I clicked it. So it's going to be those who are verified, account that is verified, to avoid had I know. So now after that, I'm going to select the one I want and then fill all the processes. Okay, you see there are a lot of people who are not selling, like publishing for sale for people to buy. You can see these ones are not eligible. Okay, they are not eligible. So I'm going to look for the one that suits me, then I'm going to click on buy and then fill all the processes and then get my coin. So if this is your first time of buying on P2P, do not click on like, don't make a mistake to tell Bybit that your coin has been released why it has not been released, because if you do that, the person might not release that coin for you. So and then you will be on maybe on your own. Okay, so be very careful when you are performing this. So now I'm going to select the one I want and then now go to my bank and then pay. Okay, after paying, I'll come back and click on payment completed, and after then I'll wait for him or her to release the coin. But before you buy or pay, make sure you read that person's description, what he wants you to do after payment. If you're not comfortable with that, then you leave it and then select the one that suits you. Okay, all right. So after that, our money has arrived here. Okay, our money has arrived, and this is $100. Okay, 100 USD. So I'm going to show you how I was able to trade to make some profit in this very video. Okay, this is our money. I have confirmed the coin has been released to me, but I was recording this video how I was buying this coin. So but I don't know what really happened, and guys, please forgive me, I don't know what happened. But if you still want me to show you when I'll be doing that video on how you can connect your MT5 with your Bybit, then I can show you. Please, I'm sorry about that. So now I'm go to my MT5. You will see the money will reflect here. Look at it here. Look at the money in MetaTrader 5. So I'm going to be showing you my trades right now. Okay, I'm going to select gold, which is XAU USD. So I'm going to click on it and then we are going to start our trade right away. So watch me how I turn $100 to something tangible, you know. So let's watch and see how it goes. So I'm watching to see opportunity on how to put my trade. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to set the lot size I want to use. Okay, I'm going to set it to 0.06, I think. So but after setting it, then I'm going to place my trade. Okay, so now we are going to go back to Bybit to check how it is in Bybit. We are going to look at the trade in Bybit. Okay, I'm going to check for the opportunity for sell, which I am seeing already. So we will place the trade. Okay, we will place the trade. We will have to go back to MT5 to check it very well. So but some people use a trading view. Okay, trading view is very advisable, but I can't be showing you all this here on this video because it's going to make the video too long. Okay, so but you know, when you are selling, when you are trading, you need to prepare your mind. Okay, because it's if you don't have strong mind, you can't trade. Can't trade. So now let's check on MT5. So I have placed this trade already, so we are going to wait patiently to see how it's going. Okay, I just placed a sell. Okay, and we'll be monitoring it to see how far we are going to go with this trade right now. Okay, so let's just be patient and watch. We are already in profit right now. As you can see, we're already in profit. Let's see if we can make something here. Okay, so we're already in profit. It's moving. This thing is not easy, oh, to be real, to be realistic, as in to tell you the truth. Trading is not easy. You see, when you are doing trading with demo account, you will not understand. I just checked this on the 30 minutes time frame. This is what is giving me, which is still downwards. This will pump down more. So it is not easy to trade. We are in $15 profit. Okay, it's fluctuating, going up and down. But if you are afraid when it's going up now, you rush and then cut it. No, so just know the market trend and then you allow the trade to go, but don't be too greedy. Okay, we are going up. Okay, so it's not easy. This is you will fight with emotions. You will fight, in fact, heat, a lot heat. When it's going against you, heat, you know, you just start sweating unnecessary. It's not unnecessary heat though. You will just start sweating immediately. So trading is not as easy as you think, but it pays though. It's easy when you train yourself. See, I will advise you to stop training yourself with demo account. Okay, trade with real account and you train yourself. Okay, stop trading with demo. Demo will not help you. I will tell you the truth. When you start trading on real account, that is when you know the real deal. We are in profit, guys. We are in profit. We are in profit. Let's see what we are going to get from this trade. Okay, as you can see right now, it's still going down. It's still going down. It's still going down. This is 1 minute time frame. So when you check it in the 30 minutes, we are still on profit. When you check it in the 30 minutes time frame, that is when I know if it's going to change. We are in $20. Okay, so let's just relax and wait how we'll close the market. Me too, I'm afraid. I just feel like closing this trade, but I want to test myself. I want to test my emotions. I want to train my emotions. Okay, and then I know when to close it. I know when to close it. So as a beginner, when you see this, stop rushing to close it. Just watch how the market trend is. If it is still going down, then you let it be. Okay. Can you see, guys? We are still in profit. We are in profit of $28 right now. $28, yeah. So let's see how it goes. And do not be too greedy. Oh, don't be greedy. We're in profit of $31. Wow. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is real account. This is not a demo account though. This is real account. As you can see, is on Bybit. Not the Bybit doesn't even have demo for you. They don't have room for that. Your demo, you fund your demo. We are in profit of 40 something dollar, $45, right? Yeah, we're in profit of $45. Let's see if it's going to get to 50, and we cut it. Though it's still going down though, but I don't want to be too greedy. Profit of, oh, it has gone down again. See, it's going up. Don't be afraid. No fear. I've closed it though. We just made $37 profit. Can you see, guys? Now, have you seen how we are able to make that massive impression on our trading journey? Now, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.